In this video, I'm going to show you how to block a conversation on Twitter. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up Twitter app and then right here hit at that letter icon to open up your messages list. And now here, if you want to block some user, if you want to stop getting messages from some specific person, all you have to do is just hold down on that conversation until it comes up and here select block to block it. Now it says that this specific person will no longer be able to follow or message you and you will not see notifications from that person. If you want to block them, just hit right here at block. Now, if you want to unblock it, you can do it in the same way. Just hold down on the conversation and hit on unblock. I hope it helps you guys, so don't forget to like and subscribe.